Anyone that knows anything about training dogs will tell you that swimming your dog is hands down one of the safest and best methods to exercise a dog. This is especially true for those who have young dogs that are too young to jog, which is under 12 months, or people who have older dogs, or those who have dogs with joint problems, especially hip problems. Swimming is a non-weight-bearing exercise. Those dog owners who are unlucky enough to own dogs with bad hips should be swimming their dogs as much as possible during the warm weather. Swimming strengthens the dog's muscles without causing pain of jogging. Stronger muscles reduce everyday pain for a dog with joint problems. As I produce this short video, I find myself 3 weeks out of knee surgery, and swimming is an important part of my recovery. I share our pool with our dogs. With this in mind, we've made it a mission here at Leerburg to offer quality toys that float. We have one web page with all of our floating toys. I put the URL on the screen now. In many ways, dogs are like kids. Different things trip their triggers. So I tell people that it's your job to find out what toy your dog likes. Just because you think a dog should like a tennis ball or just because you think a dog should like an Orby ball doesn't mean that the dog likes that. In this video, Cindy's using a floaty, which is part of the Flappy toy collection, and a tire biter retriever toy. She has 6 or 7 other floating toys in a basket that she uses. Swapping the toys around is a good thing for a dog trainer. Dogs should learn that there are different biting surfaces and that they change. This is especially true for people who use tugs as an obedience reward. Those people who do marker training can bring marker work right into the swimming pool play. The game of swimming is the perfect place to practice the out command. It's the perfect place to train your dog to bring the toy or the tug item back to you after you throw it in the pool. In fact, it can be a part of the drive-building work to back-chain the retrieve exercise. Training your dog to out or training your dog to bring the toy back to you after you release it are full chapters in my DVD on how to play tug with your dog, which is due out in September or October of 2009. So in closing, don't underestimate the value of taking your dog out and teaching him how to swim, and then having that be part of a regular training program for the dog. Now, can you? Okay.
Or I can make them lay down. Down. Tiny down. Down. No. No.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you'd like to watch some of the free streaming videos that I have on my website, you can go to this web address now. I have a number of free streaming training videos and then a number of product videos also.